John, welcome to Vancouver. The local time is 22 minutes past 4 o'clock. It is for your comfort and your safety and the safety of the passengers around you that we do ask that you please remain seated until the captain has switched off the seatbelt sign at the terminal. As this is the termination of our flight, please make sure that you bring along all your personal belongings. And if you require deplaning assistance or you need a little extra time to deplane, would you please remain in your seat until the aisle is free. At that time, we'll be in a better position to assist you. Please be careful when you open up the overhead bins. Some of the items may have shifted during the flight. As you're walking into the terminal, please do not wear any headsets, especially if they're attached to a personal entertainment device, such as a portable CD player. Cell phones and other transmitting devices can only be used after the captain has switched off the seatbelt sign at the terminal. For those of you who wish to smoke, would you kindly wait until you have reached a designated smoking area, and please do not light up before that. All other information about the airport or about connecting flights you can check with our ground agents, or the screens in the terminal will give you an updated version of your next gate and time of your departure.